Malala, lambingan ng Ekonin, umabot na sa komentuhan. Eko, very proud sa nobya. Nagbahagi nga ang Cosmopolitan Philippines na mga larawan ni Janine Gutierrez kung saan kinabog ang lahat. Aakalain mong isang diyosa ang mga larawan na yon ng aktres. Isa nga si Nini sa March 2025 cover ng Cosmopolitan Philippines kung saan isa siya sa Women of Influence 2025 headliner. Pak na pak nga ang mga larawan na yon ni Janine at videos na kumalat.
Since 2019, the Cosmopolitan Philippines Women of Influence has celebrated women, breaking barriers and uplifting their communities. Every year, the Cosmo editors sit down and gather and we talk about what it really means to be a woman today. This time, one word kept coming up, and that was girlhood. There was this soft nostalgia in looking back at our younger and more carefree selves. But then we realized that, girlhood isn't just a memory. It's not just something that you keep looking back on. It's actually something that you carry with you. It's something that shapes who you are even until today. And it's something that keeps us connected. When it came time to choose this year's honorees, we knew that we wanted women who embodied that spirit of girlhood, because girlhood shaped us, it fueled our ambitions, and it, again, continues to bring us together as women. And that's why we're honoring 14 incredible women who are making a lasting impact, whether it's through education or their advocacy. By recognizing them, we hope that more girls will feel empowered to embrace their voices and continue on with their journeys, shatter those glass ceilings, and define their own version of girlhood.
Agad-agad namang nagkomento ang nobyo ni Janine na si Jericho Rosales. Share, Regents, congratulations! Agad din namang itong sinagot ni Janine at sinabing at Jericho Rosales Official. Ha 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 ha. Thank you, Manuel L. Quezon. Umani naman ang samot-saring komento ang naturang komento na yon ni Eko na marami rin ang pinakilig. At Jericho Rosales Official, ang lala naman ang kagandahan ng iyong mahal. At Jericho Rosales Official, supportive boyfriend. Check. Sila na ba? Is Kuya Eko Arnold at Janine Gutierrez. Manuel L. Quezon, my love ko. Kau talaga, stop asking like that. Respect na lang sana, ok? At Janine Gutierrez, my love, Quezon. At Jericho Rosales Official, yes, President Quezon, Madam First Lady. At Jericho Rosales Official, hi to our Feb 2024 cover star. Divorced na sina Eko at Kim Jones. Really? Kailan po sinabi? Kilig, made my day na naman. Since 2019, watch Karen Davila interview with Eko. At Jericho Rosales Official, may local Tom Daya ko, kayo ni Nini. Hashtag Ekonin, super kilig. How you treat each other. At Jericho Rosales Official, Manuel L. Quezon, for the win. Wow, ang aming Barbie, the cover girl, strikes again. Grabe, ganda niya sis. Gorgeous. Grabe the face cast. At Janine Gutierrez, and that heart din, of course. Stunning, so beautiful. Lumalala ang kagandahan ng isang Janine Gutierrez. Yes, so lala na lang talaga. Grabe, nasa kanya na lahat. Walang tapon mula ulo hanggang paa. Beautifully written article. I love how you set your own timeline more than the pretty face. I just love how your mind works. Apakaganda, talino ni Janine Gutierrez. True beauty, you are definitely by far one of the hottest women in the Philippines. Jericho is one lucky guy. You guys are hot together. Ang ganda naman talaga ni Janine. Yes, matalino pa. Walang tatalo sa ganda mo, Janine. Congratulations, more blessings to come, Miss Janine. Oh, really? Sophisticated, model, sexy Janine. You're so amazing, Janine. God always be with you. Timeless beauty, super Latina. Your beauty is breathtaking. Wow, my love. You're so different from others. I like the way your brain works. The knowledge you impart to others that inspire them. Bravo, idol. O, diba, kitang-kita sa mga komentuhan ni Janine at Echo ang lambingan at suportahan sa isa't isa, kaya naman lalo silang pinagpapala at pero silang masaya sa bawat ginagawa nila. Congratulations to both of you. Sana marami pang projects ang dumating sa inyo together. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.